Good morning, student. Today we will start chapter 4, inequations or inequality of class 10th. Chapter 4, inequality. First of all, I am telling you what is the inequality. Inequality means inequation. Inequations means which is not equal. For example, 5 not equal to 7, or A not equal to 7, or X not equal to Y. You just tell me when X not equal to Y, then what are the possibility? What are the possible relation between X and Y? Very simple. Only two relations. Either X greater Y or X less Y. So the symbol less or less or greater form inequality or inequations. Some terminology regarding the inequality. First one is replacement set. Second is solution set. I am taking one example of inequality: x plus 1 less than 4 when x belongs to natural number. Then what is this? This is simple an inequality. Whatever x is a natural number. What is this? X is natural number. So we can take the value of x from the set of natural number. What is the natural number? Natural number are those numbers which start with 1 from 1. So we will take the value of x from natural number, or natural number start with 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. To satisfy the inequality, we will take the value of x. We will take the value of x from this set. From this set, I am talking about what is the replacement set. Replacement set. Replacement, the value which replaces the variable x. From where we will take the value of x? From where we will replace the x? How will we replace the x? It is given in the question. If nothing is given in the question, then how will you replace the x? Simple. When nothing is given about the variable, then it is understood you will take always that variable as a real number. Real number. You know very well what is the real number. All the number exists in world is called the real number. So please replace the x. From where? It is given x belongs to n. So take the value. If we take 1 plus 1, that is 2, less than 4, it is 2. Okay. Then solution is what? Replacement set is what? 1 is taken, so 1 satisfied the inequality. Take the 2, keep here 2 again. 2 plus 1 less than 4. 3 less than 4. It is also true because 3 is less than 4. So 2 also satisfied x. So 2 also replace x. You may write 2 is there. Now take 3. If we keep 3 here in place of x, replace x with 3, then what do we got? This is what first, this is what second, this is what third. 3 plus 1 less than 4. 4 less than 4. Is it true or false? Is it true or false? Simple false. Because 4 cannot be less than 4. So 3 cannot replace the x to satisfy this inequality. Then what is the solution set? So here very simple, only two values can replace the x in this inequality. So this is what? This is what? Solution set. This is what? Only the replacement set. Replacement set. Now I am talking about the what is the solution set. Solution set means solution of the inequality. When we solve the inequality, solve means what? Solve means simple. We have to find the variable used in the given inequality. Variable may be any, like x, y, z, a, b, c, d, any alphabet can be used by the mathematician. For example, I am using a plus 3 less than 10. So just simple. This is the case of inequality. This is the case of inequality. You cannot use the transposing word. How will we solve the inequality? I am telling you in simple way. Very simple. Let x plus 3 less than 10. Less than 10. How will you solve it? Given x is natural number. So please solve it. Now this is the procedure. Mathematically this is the procedure. X plus 3 10. This is the rule of the mathematics. We can use same number on both sides. We have to remove 3 here from left hand side because we want the variable x. We want the value of x. How can we remove 3? To save only x, we should subtract 3 from both sides. 3 can cancel. X less than 10 minus 3 is what? 7. So what is the solution? Solution set means because x is natural number, so value of x which will satisfy, which will replace x are, because natural number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, but not 7 because 7 value of x is less than 7. So we will write only this one. If here x belongs to w, then what do you write? 0 you can include. But x is natural number. I hope it will clear to you. Now I will take one more example of the inequality. So you are able to find the solution set. Now 3x plus 12 less than 15 minus 2x. Very simple. Very simple. First we have to remove the 12 from left hand side. Or in simple way, just we are using the transposing rule, but only will not say this is wrong. How will we do? Transposing rule is what? Suppose we have an equation like this. Suppose we have an equation. I am not talking about the inequality. How will you solve it? Very simple. You have studied in class 8th, 9th, 10th transposing to solve the linear equation. First of all, how will you solve it? We collect all the like terms, right? So transposing 3x, it will come here, then 2x. 15 is the right hand side, will go that side, that is what 12. So 3x plus 2x, this is what 5x, and 15 minus 2, this is what 3. So x equal to 3.5. This is what? Value of x. Because this is equation. Same procedure of transposing you can apply in inequality. But don't say we are using the transposing. Actually, we are using the same condition. We are using the addition in left hand side, then you should use the addition in left hand side, right hand side. Subtraction, then you also use that one. Same operation you will apply in both sides. This is the rule to solve any inequality of any equation. So how will you solve? 3x plus 2x, 15 minus 12. What is this? 5x less than 3. So x is what? 3.5. But here is not given what is x. Nothing is given, it means understood. X belongs to real number. Clear? Your answer. And less than, or you write 0.6. X is what? Solution set. Solution set is the number which is less than 0.6. Many infinite numbers are there, so we cannot write in the form of set. But we can represent this on the real number line. I am telling you how you represent the given solution set on the real number line when the variable belongs to the natural number, whole number, real number. Next example I am telling you. First, to solve the question, I am telling you the properties of the inequality. Property of inequality. Properties of inequation or inequality. Inequality. Very simple. Listen carefully, I will not write. Property number 1. Adding two sides, adding to or subtracting from both sides of any inequality by the same number produces an equivalent inequality. For example, x minus 3 greater to 5. Addition property. Addition property is what I explained. It. Adding to or subtracting from both sides. Suppose I add 3 from both sides. What do you want? Clear? Number 2. Multiplying or dividing both sides of an inequality by the same positive number produces an equivalent inequality. For example, multiplying or dividing both sides of an inequality by the same positive number, not negative, positive number. For example, 5x less than 15. Suppose I multiply 2 on both sides, same operation will be given. 5x into 2, then 15 into 2. Clear? So 10x less than 30. Now this is what? Multiply by the positive number. The second is or. We can apply the division on both sides. Suppose I divide 10 both sides, so then 10x divided by 10, 30 divided by 10, 10 times 10 part is what 3. So x you got 3. This is the property. Second, same operation will be applied on both sides. Then same effect will consider on both sides. Now third property. Suppose x less than 5. Make sure when there is a negative sign or you want to multiply both sides by negative or you divide the given inequality both sides by negative sign, then inequality sign will reverse. For example, 2x if we are multiplying both sides by negative, that is what? Minus 1. So what do we got? Minus become positive like this. Minus 1 5 into minus 1. Usually we will not write minus 1 in proper form. Directly we do. So minus become plus 2x. And when we are multiplying both sides, when we are dividing both sides by negative sign, then inequality sign will change. Inequality sign will be reversed. Okay? This is what? 5. So now we got the value of x. What is here 2? We will divide both sides by 2. 2x upon 2. 5 upon 2. Same operation we are applying. Same number we are applying. So 2 cancel. X is what? 2 times 2.5. But it is not clear what is x. Suppose if x belongs to n, then what is the solution set? You tell me. Natural number. So greater than 2.25. That is what? 3, 4, 5, and so on. If here x belongs to whole number, then x greater, same answer. Clear? So this is the solution. How to find the solution using the properties or the postulate or the rule of the inequality. These rules will help you when you solve your exercise problem. And one thing I am telling you, 2 questions, one of 3 marks or 4 marks, generally comes in your examination. Very easy concept. Marks are very easy, but when you are solving the question, please focus on the rule. Especially I am talking about the multiply by the negative sign. And remaining rules are same as we are solving the linear equation of 1. So this is what the concept of the inequality to solve your inequality problem. One question I am taking, for example, suppose minus 1.5 less than 3x upon 10 plus 1 less than 2 upon 5, x belongs to R. And one thing I am telling you, before solve this question, plot the solution on the number line, real number line, or graph the solution. Same thing. Plot the graph or represent the solution on the real number line is the same thing. Suppose 2x plus 5 less than 11, right? Or x belongs to natural number. Okay? Then solve it. 2x, same procedure. 11 minus 5, 2x less than 6, x less than divided by 2. Same, just we are using the transposing rule. 6 upon 2, x is what? Less than 3. So x is what? X belongs to n. This is natural number. So solution set is what? X belongs to like this. Less than 3, not equal to 3, less than 3. 1 or 2. Clear? If here it is equal, you can also write equal, you can write also equal, you can write equal, then less than or equal to, so you will have to take in 3 as a solution. This is solution set. Now we have to represent this solution on the real number line. Number line, this is number line. To represent the number line, take always pencil, scale. Okay. Cut the marks on equal distance as a 1 centimeter. 1 using pencil only. Do not use the pen. Otherwise, your marks will cut. 1, 2, 3. Minus 1 you can take here. Minus 2 you can also extend the line. No problem. Now, what is the solution? 1, 2, 3 natural number. So you can darken the 1, 2 or 3. This is the representation of the solution of the number. Same question I am taking again. 2x plus 5 less than or equal to 11 when x belongs to real. Then simply we will solve it. 2x less than 11 minus 5, transposing of 5 to the right hand side. 2x, simple. 2x, 6, then x less than 3. So solution set is what? Because the real number, how do you write? Less than 3, x value of x less than 3, 2.9, 2.99, 2.9999999, 2.7, 2.8. How many numbers you have? Infinite numbers are there because the real number are infinite. So we will not write the solution set as we have written for the natural number, for the whole number, for the integer, because they are countable. Infinite real number cannot be counted between two number also. So we will not write the solution in the form of set in case of real number, but we can represent for the real number and very easy. It is not possible in case of real number. Now real number line, here 0, here 1, here 2, here 3, and further also symbol of line is compulsory. Less than 3 equal to 3, you will reach here, right? Less than 3, 2 or 3, infinite real number. So how many will take? It is not assigned easily. So make the line, darken the line like this. All number less than 3 go to infinite, minus infinite. This is the, please darken it. This is what the solution of the x for that this is. Okay? Are you it clear? Now